Hi, Jacob with Agorapulse. In this video, we're going to look at all the different calendar views through your publishing feature, how you can view your content in different ways and in different views through that calendar option. Now, your calendar is your central hub for all of your content, whether it's scheduled, it's in approved mode, it's already been published. And with Agorapulse's calendar views, you're able to see specifically what you want when you want. What I mean by that is you're able to come in here and select, first off, which profiles do you want to see content for? And if I just want to select one, I can do that right here. You can also select every single profile you've added in here, or you can select profiles by groups just like this. So all the profiles that are checkmarked here will show up in this calendar view. Now you do have other options to narrow down and see very much more of a specific view of certain types of content. And that can be done right up here with your filters. Your filters are going to allow you to see content in terms of its status. Is it scheduled? Is it pending? Is it in approval mode, waiting for us to approve that content? You're also able to see different content types, like what kind of video content have we already scheduled out? What kind of video content do we already have ready to go? And the last filter you have an option for is the ability to look at content by category. These labels can be added when you're scheduling content out, and they are a perfect way to find content through your calendar here. So we can see all the fitness content that we've got ready to go, or again, maybe in draft mode waiting on approval. Now, outside of your filters, you will also be able to alter your view of your calendar in a few different ways. Right now, we're looking at the monthly view of our calendar, but we also have an option for a weekly view, so we can see things just for that particular week. You can make changes to the week you're looking at right here, changes to time zone, and you can always come back to that particular week or day as well on any of these views. You also have a list view right here as well too. This list view is great for viewing everything in chronological order if that's helpful for your strategy. And you also have another unique list view, and that would be the assigned to me section. So instead of coming in here and looking at the list view and just clicking everything that's assigned to me, if you click on this right here, you're automatically filtering out all the content that is directly assigned to you. Take advantage of that. It's a great way to go through your approvals and do everything in bulk. The last view that you have right here is going to be your grid view. Grid view is actually going to allow you, and anyone that's focused on a visual scheduler, it's going to allow you to see what that looks like. You can see the status of content, whether it's in draft mode or approval based on this color code that you have with your status. You can also download this view if you need to share it with anyone externally. Now, for any changes made to this calendar, if I want to see what my grid view looks like, if we schedule this maybe just a little bit earlier than we do here, you'll see those changes reflected directly. You can also edit this content, duplicate the post right here, or delete this content right from this grid view. Thanks for watching. To watch more or to learn more about our advanced publishing features, please visit our Help Center or start a direct chat with us today. Bye.